Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today I'm going to show you how I made this big bow using ribbon with wire from Dollar General. Right now they have out their Christmas ribbon and it is $2. It's 2.5 inch and you get 9 feet in each roll, and I bought 2 rolls. You're also going to need your scissors, some floral wire, or a zip tie. I measured out my ribbon and I cut 5 strips at 30 inches. Now if you want longer tails, you might want to pick up 3 rolls instead of 2 and cut it longer than 30 inches. So you're going to cut 5 strips total at 30 inches. I usually like to go with an odd number. Sometimes I do 5 strips, sometimes I do 7 strips. Sometimes if I want a really big bow, really full, I'll cut 9 strips. You're going to take your strip of ribbon and you're going to fold it in half. Then you're going to measure down from the top 6 inches because we're making 6-inch loops. Pinch it together, hold it in your hand. Same steps. Take one of your strips of ribbon, fold it in half, measure down 6 inches and make a loop, and then stack it on top of your first loop. And you're going to continue this same process. Very simple. Take your strip of ribbon, fold it in half, and make a 6-inch loop. You will want to use ribbon with wire because your loops will stand up and your bow will just hold its shape better. Once you have all five loops formed, you're either going to take some floral wire or a zip tie. You're going to go just above where you have your hands and you're going to zip tie it nice and tight. It's just easier for me when I make a big bow like this to use a zip tie, but floral wire works good too. You just got to make sure and twist the wire tightly. Now I'm dovetailing the ends. This is optional, but you take your strip of ribbon or your tail, fold it in half with the edges to the left side, go to the folded side, cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends. Make sure you do all of your tails. If you do not want to do a dovetail, then just cut your ribbon at a slant. Next, you're going to take your tails and you're going to spread them out so that they're not all together in one spot. So fan your tails out and then you're going to fluff the loops of your bow. Now we're going to fluff the loops on our bow, and I like to just put my hand in the loop and kind of fluff it up. So make sure you fluff all 5 loops. Sometimes it takes a little while to get the bow shaped like you want, but just be patient. To attach your bow to a wreath or a lantern or whatever you're working on, when you have a zip tie, you'll just take a piece of floral wire, thread it under your zip tie, and then you can attach it to whatever you're working on. I decided to put mine on a lantern just to show you how it will look. There are lots of different ways to make bows. I have lots of tutorials on my channel, so if you don't like this bow, let me know and I can link a tutorial for you in the comments section. I hope this tutorial helps you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, and leave me a comment. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Thank you so much for watching.